Good morning. Welcome to yet another aanmelder.nl tutorial. And today's topic is participant groups. Today I'm going to explain you how to set up participant groups and how you can send emails to specific groups, so specific segments you've made within Aanmelder. Where do we do that? We hover over to Manage Registrations and Registrations. And you can see a couple of things here. Uh, we're going to focus on this part, the participant groups. So in order to create a new participant group, you hit this button, create a new participant group. Some things speak for themselves. I've already created two. And the reason why done this, it's a pretty common scenario where you'd have an event where you have multiple workshops and you have asked your attendees to sign up for a workshop, but not everyone does that in one go. I mean, I wouldn't do that in one go. So it could be good to remind someone. In this case, the group size is 0 because no one has filled it in yet, but just pretend someone did. So if someone hasn't filled in their preferred workshop yet, they'll automatically be added to this group, and we can send them personalized communication to prompt them to still do so. So how do we create this new participant group? Like I said before, you click on the create button, you give it a name, test, you can give it a status, and in this case, I pick registered and then name Mr. Mrs. filled in, not filled in, equal to, not equal to. This could also be a specific thing that you've added here. So you can fill that in here. There's some other things you can add or change, some other criteria, some other characteristics you can add or change. But yeah, so basically that's what you do here. I'm going to remove that again. Boom, gone. So let's just say I'd like to email the people that did not register for a workshop yet. Where do we go now? We go over to communication, towards the message center, and well, if you want to send a group email, you can hit create a message. I've already done that here, so I'm just going to click it. Add a subject, test. You still want to make changes on the email, you already know how to do that. If you've watched previous tutorials, then you hit preview and send. Then here's the important part. You hover down, hover down, hover down. Only participants in certain participant groups. And then you can choose. Either select all, deselect all, or pick a specific one. In this case, did not register for a workshop yet. Okay, let's see, tested. This is already good. The subject is okay. And then we can, one thing I always recommend is hit send test email so you can actually see if the email preview is proper. And then you can either choose to directly send it or send it on a later date. So for instance, 20th of January 2026, around, let's say, 7 in the morning. And that's how you send an email to that's how you create a participant group and send an email to a particular participant group. Well, as always, I wish you guys a lot of fun setting up your personalized communication within aanmelder.nl. If there's any help, you can check the knowledge base or you can contact our support and they'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks again, and on to the next one.